The COVID-19 pandemic has changed how businesses is conducted across many industries, including food manufacturing. We can see it as a disruption or an opportunity to grow by riding on new trends and capturing digital-savvy consumers. SMEs can leverage on Singapore Manufacturing Federation and the government's support to pivot and digitally transform our food manufacturing landscape in Singapore.
Singapore is home to a thriving food manufacturing industry that supplies food products of high quality and safety standards for local consumption and offers the unique taste of Singapore to consumers around the world. Singapore's food manufacturing industry consists of approximately 1,000 food manufacturers across 10 subsectors and houses established MNCs, homegrown heritage brands, and an increasing number of food tech startups attracted by a strong ecosystem. In 2018, the food manufacturing industry employed about 50,500 employees and contributed more than 10.7 billion Singapore dollars in output, of which 60% was exported globally. This demonstrates the strength of our food brands, which have built a reputation in food safety, quality, and innovation.
We wanted to produce more kueh to reach out to more customers. But as an SME, we have limited resources and capability. So we realized that we needed a digital solution to help us to identify where our production bottlenecks is so that we can be more productive and efficient in our process.
We were lucky to have started our business with an online presence. Our e-commerce platform can also support our invoicing requirements, and that has helped us pivot quickly during COVID-19. We were able to quickly accept online orders when we had to close our physical stores during circuit breaker period.
The meat subsector in Singapore is still largely reliant on manual processing. It is challenging to find cost-effective solutions that can work because of our high-mix, low-volume production. As our business grows, manual becomes harder to keep up. Hence, we are currently building an integrated platform encompassing multiple key systems such as customer interface, warehouse management system, and enterprise resource planning, which can improve our operations through automation and make better informed decisions by analyzing consolidated data.
Many other SMEs in the food manufacturing industry are looking to go digital too. To stay competitive, companies can use digital technologies to increase productivity, lower costs, reach new consumers, and enhance the working environment. Introducing the Food Manufacturing Industry Digital Plan, or IDP, developed by the Infocomm Media Development Authority in partnership with Enterprise Singapore and the industry. The IDP is part of the SMEs Go Digital program that makes going digital simple for companies. SMEs can use the 3-stage digital roadmap to find out if your business is digital ready and get started on improving process efficiency. From enterprise resource planning solutions in Stage 1 to sensors for equipment management in Stage 2 and even autonomous robots in Stage 3, you can find recommended solutions that suit your business needs. The IDP also provides a training roadmap to equip your teams with the right skills and mindset to benefit from digital transformation.
The first solution that we adopted was accounting software that allows us to identify our costs very effectively.
以前我非常辛苦，每一个月我需要大概15天的时间来开单和发全部的单。现在用了 accounting software， 我就能省了很多时间，很快就能完成我的单，非常方便。
We realized that we encountered different production bottlenecks, and so we had to embark on a new project involving data analytics to help us to identify and to solve these bottlenecks. During this journey, we realized there's a lot more opportunities for us in the market, so we have to go digital in order to grab them.
We have also tapped on the Productivity Solutions grant to adopt a cloud-based point-of-sale system that allows us to check sales data and make decisions on production rate in real time. We are also using a digital HR payroll system which saves 50% of the time spent on accounting work and help us gain insights into employee working hours to better manage production schedules. With our staff willingness to upskill and adapt, we are planning to adopt more digital solutions such as app-based fleet management and CRM loyalty programs to increase customer engagement and retention.
With government support, we adopted new two-region solutions for our industry, such as automated shuttle retrieval systems for storage and sensor-equipped conveyor systems for meat processing.
以前我们需要花大概半天的时间去包装好全部的肉，但是自从有了 conveyor belt， 肉一旦切好，就可以在几个小时之内立刻包装，以保持新鲜，缩短了加工时间。我们就可以更快地将肉存放在冷藏库里。我能利用这些系统提供的数据，更有效地计划每天的生产量。这是我以前没有的任务。现在公司数码化了，不止效率提高了，我也觉得我的工作更有意义了。
The way forward is digital. We need to continue leveraging on digital solutions to stay ahead of the curve.
What are you waiting for? Start your digital journey today.